Hey everyone, and welcome to day 16 of our Command 66-day challenge. Today we are going to do an introduction to the sales pipeline app in Command, or what's currently known as opportunities. So to get where I'm at on your dashboard or home screen of Command, you'll choose opportunities, or if you're anywhere else in Command, on the left sidebar you can click the handshake icon that says opportunities, and that'll take you to where I'm at right now. So, like I said, this will be changing to be called the sales pipeline. And when we use the word opportunity, we'll be referring to everything about each transaction that you have in one place. So, the sales pipeline is where you'll be able to manage your deals from lead to close. And you will enter somebody at the very beginning that they've declared intent to do business with you, and you will be able to track where they're at in the transaction all the way until it closes. So we're just going to do a little overview today so that you guys can kind of start going and playing around with it. And as we go through this week in our challenge, we will do some different tasks in the sales pipeline. So an overview of what you'll see in the home screen is a couple different timelines. So you'll have listings, buyers, leases, activity here at the bottom if you like seeing those numbers on graphs, and then closing this month. Beside each of these timelines, you'll see GCI, and you'll see potential income and probable income. So the potential income that's showing up is the total commission from all the opportunities that you currently have entered in Command. And then the probable income is adjusted the commission based on each stage's probability to close. So each of these that you see here are phases. So every transaction has 5 phases. These are not currently something that are customizable, but they're something when the labs team of thousands of agents that were creating this basically said, hey, these are what we see are pretty similar and constant across every transaction for every real estate agent. And so they kind of went with that for the phases. When we go into each phase, though, you are able to customize it. So your 5 phases when you're working with sellers and buyers are cultivate, appointment, active, under contract, and closed. Most of those are pretty self-explanatory, but you might be curious about the cultivate phase. And what that is as soon as someone declares intent to do business with you, you want to pop them over into your sales pipeline. Even if they say, I want to buy a home in the next year, or it'll probably be about 9 months until we're ready. They have declared intent to do business with you, though. You want to go ahead and start nurturing them as part of your sales pipeline. So you would want to enter them there. When we click into any one of these phases, we'll see the different stages that are included in it. This is where, in true Command fashion, you're able to customize things to fit your business and your needs. So here are the 3 stages that are currently in the active phase in opportunities. They're staging, showing, and negotiations. You can absolutely customize these to how you see fit, and that goes for across any of these different phases: under contract, appointment, cultivate, closed. So if you want to edit those, you can click Edit Stages here. And this is where you'll be able to change their names. You can reorder them. You can add new stages. You can edit them here. This is also where you can change the probability percentage for each stage. So what I mentioned earlier when we were on that dashboard of opportunities is that you have probable income on there. So right now you can edit these percentages, and that basically mean it's the probability that your transaction will go all the way to close from the stage that it's currently at. These are just going to be your best guesstimates right now, but eventually, as you use command in your business consistently, you will be able to, or artificial intelligence will be able to carry those percentages for you, and that way it can let you know what the probability is that you're going to make that transaction to close. So that AI is really beneficial for you. So that's why it's great to go ahead and get in there and start doing that now and using it consistently in your business so that it begins to track it and predict how much commission you're gonna make based on where your transactions are at right now. So your task for today is really to just kind of explore the Opportunities app, but also to sit down and take a look at your business and think about the different stages that you go through with each transaction and what that looks like for you personally and how you want to organize that in Opportunities. I'm not saying you necessarily have to have all of that set up today, but I would just love you to kind of start envisioning what that looks like for your business so that you can make command work for you. That is all for day 16. Thanks for watching.